Hello, my name is Margeaux, and today I'm going to be showing you a recipe created by the culinary students of Fossil Ridge High School. It is called Korean Kiwi Cookies. Let's get started. You'll need a cutting board, a knife, a spoon, one kiwi cut into 4 or 5 slices, 5 raspberries, and 5 blueberries. Let's go. First, cut the kiwi into 4 or 5 slices. I'm only demonstrating 2 today. Then use a spoon to take the peel off, sort of make sure it goes all the way through and go around. Did you know that a kiwi has more vitamin C than an orange and more potassium than a banana? That's super cool. Take your kiwi out of its peel and put it on a plate with however many others you have done. There's that. Next, cut the raspberries. We're going to cut the raspberries. And so sort of cut them down the middle. Wait, I'm going to move that. Cut them down the middle. Not the whole thing, just sort of one side, and open it like a book. Place it on one side of one of your kiwis. Do the same with another raspberry. Short. Place it on the other side of the kiwi. Next, we're going to do the blueberries. Take one and cut it into 4 pieces. Place the 4 pieces of blueberry on the other side of one of your kiwis, like that. Next, we're going to do the same thing with another blueberry. Put it on the other side of your other kiwi. Sometimes they don't all fit, so you can sort of put them on top of each other. Then you're ready to enjoy a sweet and healthy snack. Hope you enjoy!